Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Before I get into this, I just want to mention that I got a new accessory for my camera. It's going to help with a certain part in this video which has not been getting enough lighting, so I just bought a little lighting accessory that will help bring out the detail because it gets really dark in that area. The lights I have cannot really reach into that, and so the light I have should be able to light up what is needed. And I hope it really works. Let me know what you think. You'll know because I'll probably be turning it on at that stage and then turning it back off when I'm finished. So let's get right into this. This is the Airbus A350-1000XWB by, in the Airbus house livery by JC Wings in a 1 to 200 scale. Please check the description in case you missed anything throughout this video. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram links are down there. I pre-ordered this from easytoys.com. The link will also be down in the description. This is my 15th A350 model and it's my 6th Airbus Industrie model. Some information about Airbus. Airbus is a multinational company that manufactures civil and military aircraft. They have production and manufacturing facilities mainly in France, Germany, Spain, China, United Kingdom and the United States. Their operations base is out of Blagnac in Toulouse, France, and they were founded on the 18th of December 1970. The A350 family was introduced to compete with and be a bridge between Boeing 787 and 777 families, acquiring 890 orders from 46 customers and having delivered 193 A350s to 19 customers as of the 18th of September 2018. With the A350 as the new kid on the block, it's no wonder that it is considered one of the most efficient aircraft to date. It is distinguishable mostly by its wing and winglet shape. It also features a nose cone similar in design to the 787, but with an added touch of what's known as the raccoon mask painted around the cockpit windows. All A350s use the engine designation code 41, as this represents Rolls Royce, who manufactures and supplies the engines. The A350-1000 employs a slightly newer engine than the A350-900, which provides the A350-1000 with greater thrust to get the lengthened fuselage airborne, as well as a maximum takeoff weight of 316 tons compared to the A350-900's 280 tons. Tons, not tons. With the heavier aircraft, this usually calls for larger wings, and the A350-1000 is able to store an increased fuel capacity, which gives it a 600 kilometer range advantage over its predecessor. The Rolls Royce XWB-97 has a maximum thrust capacity of 97,000 pound force of thrust, hence the engine name, or 431.5 kilonewtons with a 9.6 to 1 bypass ratio. The engine architecture from front to rear is as follows: 1 fan, 1 planetary reduction gearbox, 8 intermediate pressure. The engine architecture from front to rear is as follows: 1 fan, 1 planetary reduction gearbox, 8 intermediate pressure compressor stages, 6 high pressure compressor stages, 1 high pressure turbine, 2 intermediate pressure turbines, and 6 low pressure turbines. The aircraft's first flight was on the 7th of February 2017, and the Airbus engine designation code, of course, is 41. Let's take a look around the box. 1000, picture the model. Airbus scale 1 to 200. On the back, better than the typical bland back of the boxes. So there's a bit of information about the aircraft. You can pause to read it if you wish. We have the general warnings, JC Wings logo, Facebook page. The top of the box. And the bottom. Don't worry about this little piece that fell off, it's just the rudder. It is loose for a reason, it's not actually broken. But There is the model, stand, and gears, and rudder. Alright guys, the model is now out of the box, and we are going to start at the cockpit windows on the port side. So we have the cockpit windows with the raccoon mask that's become famous for the A350. The pitot tube static ports. There, I think that's the fleet number for Airbus. Airbus A350-1000XWB. Inboard landing lights. The Rolls Royce XWB 97 engine. Trent XWBs. Very nice looking engine, of course, and thought there might have been a little bit of chrome on the rear of the exhaust. And here's what I was talking about before. Boom. All the details, as you can see, in their full glory. Fan blades, they do spin. There's the engine strake. And the same on this side. I wonder if we have any. Let's turn this off. There's the nose gear. So let me know what you think of that. I think it's really helpful because now you can see the details a lot clearer, and I don't have to worry about the camera or myself obstructing the light. And here we have the nice blended winglet, A350-XWB. And then the red navigation light. Back onto the fuselage. We have the 1000 logo. And by the way, I will also leave in the description a couple of videos of the A350-1000 when it visited Auckland on its demonstration tour. So if you would like to go check those out of what the aircraft looks like, kind of in person because you weren't, you can't actually see it because it's in the video. But if you would like to see that, please go head over there, check it out, and it's an amazing aircraft. If you ever get the chance to see it in person, don't just say, oh, be around for a while. It's an amazing aircraft. Registration number, FWLXV or Foxtrot Whiskey Lima X-Ray Victor. And the tail, A350. By the way, I forgot to say that this was a flaps down model at the start, but that doesn't matter because it's going to be in the title. Here's the APU with the two strobe lights, the little humps, and they stick out, so it's fairly realistic. I really wish JC Wings would make more flaps down models. I love flaps down models. So we are at the cockpit windows on the starboard side. Pitot tube static ports, fleet number on the gear door, A350-1000XWB, front cargo container door, inboard landing light over there, XWB 97 engine, the winglet, and then the navigation light. 1000 titles, rear cargo container door. I'm not sure what that window painted red is all about. It might just be on the demonstration model. I don't remember seeing it on the actual aircraft, but then again it's a window, so you're not really looking at that kind of stuff. A350 on the tail. And now we're going to have a look underneath the aircraft. Apologies for this. Alright, so there we go, sorry about that. Nose gear, gear door, couple of antennas, NACA ducts, A350-1000 logo. That wasn't fun, I just got stabbed by one of the antennas. It's never fun, always be careful around those. And the anti-collision light, hole for the stand, main gears, gear doors, flaps, slats, ailerons. There's the fuel dump valve. They're in between the outboard aileron and the flap. All that detail in the slats there at the front. Underneath the engine, very, very detailed. Same on this side, but with the registration number. You might have to see my hand a lot, because I've got to try and get this in focus. Antenna. And then the APU housing. Okay, so we have the anti-collision light, the SATCOM antenna, ADF antennas. Well, that could be a Wi-Fi box, right? No, that could be the SATCOM. That could be the Wi-Fi box. I don't know, but that looks like the SATCOM to me up here. Anyway, I'm not going to go into too much detail. Probably research where they are. Flap slats, ailerons, and spoilers with the logo on the inboard side of the winglet. Lots of detail on top of the engine. Bit of sorry about that, just remove that. Bit of what looks to be polystyrene from the box. With another antenna. There it is, there's the Wi-Fi box. I wasn't looking before I did this video. Antenna. And a grey dot on each horizontal stabilizer. Those are the logo lights that will light up the tail at night time. Now let's go on to some general features of this model. And there's a few more, seeing as it is flaps down. Landing gear, as you can see it's sort of rocking on the magnet, so you can see the gear door moving, which it shouldn't be. Front wheels roll nicely, but there's a couple of wheels on each set of bogies. That's really is stopping the model from rolling properly. And then when we come to the empennage, see if this helps. Yeah, that goes pretty well. So, as you can see, those are the Those are the, geez, I've forgotten. How can I forget? I was an engineer. Oh, geez. Okay, rudder. I'm going insane right now. I don't know how I can forget. Honestly, I'm puzzled. I'm so puzzled how I've forgotten. I'll probably think of it in a second. I'll be kicking myself. Honestly, I should know it. I'm an aviation nut and I've just forgotten. It's just gone out of my head. Anyway, we'll go into the seating, and if I figure it out, I'll let you know, but you probably already know, so it's not going to matter too much. Man, I'm kicking myself. Okay, no, well, why am I going into seating? Sorry about this. Sorry, why am I going into seating? I've been put off by the fact that I haven't known that I've forgotten what the things are called. Okay, sorry about this. We'll go to the stand now, because the stand's it's that part of the video. Padding on top, so you don't scratch the model underneath. And it is, oh, by the way, it is screwed in underneath. I kind of like these stands better due to the fact that they're not going to scratch up my runway here like the other ones I've been doing. Because when you have the screws that sort of right at the bottom of the metal piece that screws into the wood base, the screws around the top, they're sharp and they're not, and they don't stick in very well a lot of the time, and it scratches up my my runway mat. Elevators. I tell you, I will be. I don't even know. I'm sorry. Elevators. How can I forget? Gears are magnetic, can be easily removed. That one took a while to get back in. And that's sort of the landing position, not too far back. I mean, these ones go further back than the 777s now tilt forward. I wish JC Wings would actually fix their 777 gears. Actually, that's about right, just about there. I wish they would fix them so it allows for some tilt again. There's the gear doors, so you can use them in the in-flight position if you wish. And this should be about the end of the video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Elevators. I'm so sorry about the little cut in the video. Memory card, full. I forgot to put in the second one. They were supposed to switch over to that one, and I just didn't think about putting it in. Completely forgot. So apologise for that. And it just happened to be the end of the video when it happened. How unfortunate. Anyway, please leave a like if you did enjoy. Comment tell me what you think of this model. Tell me if you're going to get it. Apart from it coming into Auckland, I would have got this model anyway because I think it's fantastic. It just looks so good. It looks so much better than the A350-900 in my opinion. It just looks well balanced, and aesthetically, pleasing. Do subscribe for more if you would like, because I've plenty of content on the way, of course, and share this video as well so other people know about this model and see if they want to get it. It just looks so nice. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.